Hello all, welcome to this session on software testing with real-time example. So in this session we'll try to understand how to test a marker, a frequent interview question. So how to test anything, not only marker, like how to test table, chair, water bottle, anything. So how you should tackle those interview questions or how you should understand the software testing on a particular object, I'm going to explain as part of this session. Perfect, let's get started. So first of all, you need to know the feature or requirement. So you should ask question from the interviewer, like which type of marker it is, whether it is whiteboard, paper, etc. Then again, who is the customer, whether it is teacher or artist or a student. Again, what is marker type, whether it is permanent or non-permanent, whether it is waterproof or not. Then what is the color of the marker, whether it is solvent. So you can ask n number of questions based on your requirement or based on the topic. So in this case it is a whiteboard marker, so I have asked all the maximum question from my side with respect to the whiteboard marker, so that I will be able to write maximum test cases. So suppose I have asked this question and I got the answer, like this is whiteboard marker and teacher will be the end user, and these are the things which will be as part of this marker. So now what will be the first thing which you are going to do is, first you will do happy flow testing, or you will write the happy flow test case where I'm going to test on whiteboard. So write on a whiteboard using this marker and see whether the user is able to write here clearly. So in one liner, write on a whiteboard, user should be able to write here clearly. Simple. That is happy flow. Once happy flow is done, we need to go for covering all the functional requirement. So like I'll test all the functional testing, right? Write on paper, should be able to write on different other materials like wood, metals, etc. I should be able to write with different angles on the board like 90 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, etc. Write with on wet and oily paper. Okay, then verify color and visibility of written word by marker. Verify marker is not permanent marker. Then verify marker branding and logo as per requirement. Then verify marker has a rubber grip. So these are the basic test cases which is as per functionality and as per the requirement gathering, whatever I have gathered in the starting I have written. Okay, out of this, what will be the UAT acceptance test scenario is give marker to a teacher and ask for the feedback. Okay, so now all the functional requirement is covered. Now what next? So we need to cover negative test scenario. So as part of negative test scenario, I need to do like, okay, check the marker and verify whether link is flowing or not. It's very simple. Again, drop the marker on the floor and pick up, then verify it can be reused. Then refill the existing marker and try it can be reused. Okay, so all the negative scenario, this is for marker. For again other object, you can write accordingly. Okay, then once functional testing is done, then you should go for non-functional scenario where you can test performance testing, accessibility testing, security testing, etc. right? So we have covered these three. So as part of performance testing of the marker, what you will do, so you will keep writing on the whiteboard until link is finished to see how much time it can be reused. Put pressure on the marker while writing on the whiteboard to see how much pressure it can sustain. Then verify result in same after multiple uses of this marker. Then throwing on hard or rough surface, and then verify it should not break with less velocity, right? So these are the performance scenario. Again, as part of accessibility testing, we'll see like give marker to a non-customer user, okay, to see how easily he can write on a whiteboard or how easily he can learn like how to use this marker. Then verify like how easily it can be refilled. So how easily an end user can use this marker. Then other non-functional testing is security testing, whether we need to verify as per the marker, verify marker tips is not very sharp so that it can harm people also. And then verify lots of ink is not blowing or causing issue while writing, right? That is also security. You can say that this is as per my case. So that's all guys. So once all the testing is done, now what will be the let me summarize this. So as part of test process, very simple example I have given. So first you need to understand the product. So by you, if you have to write test case on anything, okay, whether it is chair, table, glass, anything, first you should understand the product. Okay, once you understand the product, in real-time software testing also, first you need to understand the product, then you should test the happy flow. Okay, you need to write the happy flow test case, then you should cover all the functional test cases, and then you should go for negative test cases. So you need to cover all the negative test cases. Once functional, non-functional, once functional and negative test cases are done, then you should go for non-functional testing. That's all about basic test process, what you will apply in software testing also. Okay, so hope this is very simple and clear to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.